Hi, I'm Dr. Sinatra, and today I'm here to talk about gut diversity. The gut microbiome is what a lot of people are familiar with, but there's also a microbiome of your sinuses, of your eyes, of your skin, and for women, the vagina. What a lot of people don't know is that this microbiome that's all over our body is composed of trillions of microorganisms, mainly bacteria, and most of these bacteria are good, and you need these bacteria. So in the gut, we really want to have a balance and a high diversity of bacteria there. And when you think about a rainforest, there's tons of different species of insects and plants and animals, and that rainforest functions really well with high diversity. And you want that same type of diversity found in your microbiome. The bacteriome is one part of the microbiome that is mainly composed of bacteria. These bacteria are found all over the body, but they're mainly found in high concentration in the gut. The mycobiome, which consists of the yeast and fungal species that are existing in the gut, is really important for overall gut health and balance. I mentioned earlier that we want to have a balance in the gut microbiome. Dysbiosis can happen or form, and that's really an imbalance in the gut flora. That can be too many, too little bacteria, too many, too little yeast. There can be protozoa that are present. Classic examples of dysbiosis are conditions like yeast overgrowth. There's also SIBO, which stands for small intestine bacterial overgrowth. And really when it comes to dysbiosis, you want to restore balance back into the microbiome. Considering that there's millions of people out there suffering with issues related to gut health, it's so important to focus on restoration of the microbiome because that truly is at the heart of many of these conditions. So you may be familiar with the classic probiotics out there like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. And there's one type of probiotic that's really interesting to me these days, and that's the spore-forming probiotic, or soil-based organism, also known as an SBO. And this organism is typically found in soil and in certain fruits. And because we're not getting enough exposure to the earth, to the dirt, we're not getting enough of these organisms in our body. And these soil-based organisms are really important for your gut microbiome. You've learned how important gut health is for your overall health. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.